Looking for a rare, well-maintained truck? Check out this 2017 Nissan Frontier King Cab SV pickup, featuring a 5-speed manual transmission and a clear Carfax report. With a dealer service history and recent services valued at over $955, plus up-to-date Georgia emissions and original books, this truck offers excellent value. It's a dealer-certified pre-owned vehicle, backed by our Quality Plus warranty for 3 months or 3,000 miles. Additionally, at the time of sale, you can take advantage of a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price, on top of the advertised price. Ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade option as well. Recent service includes spark plugs, front brake pads and rotors, cabin air filter, high mount brake light bulb, a pre-delivery inspection, and a fresh oil and filter change. We always recommend a pre-purchase inspection to ensure your peace of mind. Please note, any price reductions or discounts will void the CPO status, warranty, and 5-year service plan. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a certified, well-maintained truck. Visit us today to learn more.